Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to learn English and Dutch phrases together. Hoi allemaal, welkom op mijn kanaal. Vandaag gaan we leren Nederlandse en Engelse zinnen. Laten we beginnen. In English, I see various people. I see various people. In Dutch, ik zie allerlei mensen. Ik zie allerlei mensen. I means ik. See means zie. Various means allerlei. Or you can say that allerlei. In English, people. In Dutch, mensen. I see various people. In English, we make various dishes. We make various dishes. In Dutch, wij maken allerlei gerechten. Wij maken allerlei gerechten. We in English, wij in Dutch. Make, that means to make. In Dutch, maken. Various means allerlei. Dishes means gerechten. In English, she has all kinds of stuff. She has all kinds of stuff. In Dutch, zij heeft allerlei spullen. Zij heeft allerlei spullen. She in English, zij in Dutch. Has in English, heeft in Dutch. All kind of in English, allerlei in Dutch. Stuff, or sorry for that, stuff in English, spullen in Dutch. In het Engels, there are various flowers. There are various flowers. In Dutch, er zijn allerlei bloemen. Er zijn allerlei bloemen. In English, there. In Dutch, er. In English, are. In Dutch, zijn. In English, various. In Dutch, allerlei. And flowers means bloemen. In English, various animals live here. Various animals live here. In Dutch, that means allerlei dieren leven hier. Animals means dieren. Live means leven. Various means allerlei. Live means leven. Here means here. Laten we andere zin kijken in het Engels. He reads various books. He reads various books. That means in Dutch. Hij leest allerlei boeken. He means hij. Reads means leest. Various means allerlei. Books means boeken. He reads various books. We have all kinds of problems. We have all kinds of problems. In Dutch, we hebben allerlei problemen. We means we. in Dutch. Have means in Dutch hebben. All kinds of means allerlei. Problems means problemen. We have all kinds of problems in English. We hebben or we hebben allerlei problemen in Dutch. In English, we have all kinds of problems, as I said to you before. And in Dutch, we hebben allerlei problemen. We means in Dutch we, have means in Dutch hebben, all kinds of means allerlei, problems means problemen. We have all kinds of problems. We hebben allerlei problemen. Laten we nog een keer kijken. I see various people. Ik zie allerlei mensen. Wij maken allerlei gerechten. We make various dishes. She has all kinds of stuff. That means zij heeft allerlei spullen. Er zijn allerlei bloemen. That means there are various flowers. Allerlei dieren leven hier. That means various animals live here. He reads various books in English. Hij leest allerlei boeken in Dutch. We hebben allerlei problemen. We have all kinds of problems. If we look at here, we can see that various means in English various, in Dutch allerlei. Allerlei mensen, allerlei gerechten, allerlei spullen, allerlei bloemen, allerlei dieren, allerlei boeken and also allerlei problemen. Hartstikke bedankt voor het kijken en tot volgende les. Thank you very much for watching and see you next lesson.